Okay, our next book, goodness, is called Ocean Life. Sharks are fish. Like all fish, they breathe through gills. Sharks do not have bones. Their skeletons are made of cartilage. The whale shark is the largest fish. It can reach up to 50 feet in length. The smallest shark, the dwarf dog shark, is no longer than a pencil. Whales are mammals. They swim to the surface to get the air they need. A whale breathes air from the blowhole on top of its head. Blue whales are the biggest animals on Earth. However, they eat only the smallest ocean animals, shrimp-like creatures called krill. The blue whale has no teeth. Instead, baleen dangles from its upper jaw like the bristles on a broom. Krill gets trapped in the baleen and the blue whale licks them off. Whales have a thick layer of blubber under their skin. Some sharks like to eat it. The cookie cutter's shark eats the chunks of the blubber that leave scars the size of cookies. Some whales have teeth like the sperm whale. This whale eats squid. Squid have 8 arms, 2 long tentacles, and a sharp beak. Dolphins are mammals like whales, but are much smaller. The ocean is home to more than 30 different kinds of dolphins. The Commerson dolphin is one of the smallest. It only grows to 5.5 feet long. The orca is the largest dolphin. It can reach 30 feet in length. Dolphins use sound to find food. This is called echolocation. Dolphins live and hunt in groups called pods. They eat shrimp, squid, and fish. Big or little, fish or not, many creatures call the ocean home. It is so deep and vast that it may contain the greatest number of living things on the planet. The end.